Hi guys, today is day 6 of the Advent Calendar series, and we're going to be, after we open day 6 of both of these, we're going to be done with a week for December. So let's open it. And also we have this boy elf. My boy elf went in here today. The boy elf went in here in the train. Because it says that on the box that you could put an elf in there, but we didn't want to touch it, but to put it in there, but we use gloves. So we're gonna open day 6. I think I know what's in day 6. Yes, it's the cookies. Now let's do the cookie folding. Oh, can you get that, please, Mr. Cameraman? Okay, let's throw this to the stuff. Oh, there's cookies on one side. You can use this side, or you could just cover them with. No, we're gonna cookies. Don't tell anyone that the cookies fell on the floor. Don't tell anyone. They're as fresh as the tray, whatever. Don't tell anyone that they fell on the ground. One of them fell on the ground, but don't tell anyone. Okay.
Who's gonna eat that one?
Who?
The one that fell on the ground.
I don't know. Maybe Blue and Dinosaur will come along soon. Maybe next time, I think they might come along. And let's put this cookie somewhere over here for now. So we finished this. So let's flip it over to, we finished one train cart. So we're gonna have Mrs. Claus's Sweet Shop. Whatever it's called. Sweet Shop. Yeah, it's called the Sweet Shop. But for the Lego Advent Calendar, I'm gonna have to open day 6. So here's day 6. What is that? What is this? A gas station? Something like that. Looks like. Open this, please, Mr. Cameraman.
Thank you. Well, that gives me a start of wherever you fit it.
Throw that to the side. And I wonder how we build it. Let me do this for a second. What do you think gas station is this, you think? It looks like some type of gas station or something like that. Oh, we put this piece right here. And then what else? I'll use these two pieces to connect together. Oh, it's kind of like the police station. Maybe it's a gas station. I think it is a gas station. What? Two pieces were connected. Right, that was strange. Is there I think there's a door, maybe? Have there ever been any Lego gas stations? I wonder if there have ever been a Lego gas station. So, do we have any printed pieces? No, so then it's just a plain gas station or whatever it is. We will just call it the whatever station for now, until someone knows if it's right. Also subscribe because if you don't subscribe, you will miss every single video. You will miss every single video that we do if you don't subscribe. because I think that's how it goes. I'm not sure because, does it? Oh wait, it goes like that. So then it might be. It looks like a gas station. So where should I put the gas station? Over here or over here? I think over usually. I think it will look good near the police station. Nah, I think we should put a gas station over here, actually. Nah, over here. Well, I don't know where to put the gas station. I think it's good over here. Yeah, it looks good over there. Might move it. Well, that's 1 week gone for December. And this is the last week until we open this one, which has my favorite, I don't know, has one of my favorite figures, which is the puppy. So, wait, give me a minute. We need someone that needs to help me say goodbye. Where is he? Wait, stay right there. Found him. Biscuit. Oh, Biscuit. So Biscuit is going to say goodbye with us for the first week. Bye. Ruff, ruff.